Friends, I am Binoy. Welcome to my YouTube channel Share Tips. Today I put this video in order to discuss about a company which I have already recommended at a lower rate as a long-term bet. Name of the company is Tata Motors. I had recommended Tata Motors at the range of 180 rupees and my long-term target is 800 rupees. After my recommendation, it goes to 360 level, double from my recommendation. After that, based on some news and result, the share price comes down to 285 levels. After that, it bounced back from that level and today it's closed at 298 rupees. It had a strong resistance at 285 levels. But today, I just have to share some news and announcements made by the company recently to all of my viewers. So many people ask me whether to sell the share or not. I tell everyone to hold the share for a long-term bet. I always said that we will get so many shares from our surroundings itself. Just see on the roads. We are seeing so many cars with Tata now. When 3-4 years back, there is only below 5% cars we seen in the road are Tata Motors. No one is prefer Tata Motors. So many reasons are there. 90% people prefer Maruti vehicles. But now you can see near about 50% cars are covered by Tata Motors. Tata Motors' recent car Tiago has replaced Maruti's Alto, and moreover they are concentrating more on EV space also. So what happens to the Tata Motors share price at 360 level? First reason is that the company itself announced that there is a shortage of chip which will impact the manufacturing of cars and it will extend it to 2022 also. When that news came, the share price comes down from 360 to 300 levels, and at the same time, the March quarter result is not up to expectation. Every time the company cannot show profit in every quarter, so it is a normal thing. So, when along with this announcement regarding chips as well as the result, the share price comes to 285 level. So, I think this is an opportunity for those who can't able to enter the Tata Motors at 185 levels. So I will like to share with all of you some of the points that I have noticed. I think it will be beneficial to all of you. First point, it had recently announced the sales, July sales, which is extraordinary. There is a 92% increase in the sales in this worst COVID period. There is a good increase in the sales of both commercial as well as other vehicles. So in this period also, the company can able to show a good sales figure. So what is the meaning? It is gradually grabbing the full market share of cars. This point is a very important point. And second thing, in EV space also, the company shows a tremendous increase in sales. I think this is the only company which concentrates more on the EV segment when compared to any other companies in India. Even Maruti is not concentrated as much. So if you look at the road, if you see an electric car, it must be Tata Nexon. So we think that electrical story is a fast story, but it is not a fast story. It is coming as soon as possible. With next year itself, in almost 20% of the cars on the road may be EV vehicles. So if it comes true, this 20% EV vehicle, 99% will be from Tata product. It is sure. Just think about that. So it is a EV story. When we consider EV story, it is Tata Motors. So, and second thing I noticed is that the company recently announced that they are going to raise funds. Funds for what? Funds to concentrate more on EV vehicle space. So yeah, I don't know which way they are not going to raise fund. It will be announced by the company later. And third point, the company recently said that they are going to change the cars in order to tackle the problems of chips. They are going to change the cars. And fourth point, they are going to increase the car rate. Actually, it is favorable for the company, but not favorable for the customers like us. Now, what is the peculiarity of Tata Motors? They are giving the cars a cheap rate when compared to quality. Having good quality, good body is available at a cheap rate. So it may be little bit expensive, but it is anyway favorable for the company as a whole. Then one more thing, the other point, the company recently said that they are going to manufacture two other variants of Tata Ace. Tata Ace is a well-known vehicle when compared to its quality and loading capacity. So they are going to add two more variants of Tata Ace. And another one, the chairman of Tata Motors, Chandrasekaran sir, has recently said that the Tata Motors is going to become a debt-free company in 2024. That's a very, very good news. If Tata Motors become a debt-free company, nothing to say about that. And lastly, most of the brokerage houses, FIS institutions, and many of the analysts are recommending Tata Motors for target of 400 rupees. And I itself, as from Share Tips, we are recommending Tata Motors for a target of 600, 800 rupees for long term. Short term 400, medium term 600, and long term 800 is my target. Anyway, you have to have your own study before investing in the share. This is my personal view about the company. If everyone liked my channel, please subscribe my channel. Please share my videos to your friends and relatives and like it. So I will come with my another video as soon as possible. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Thank you. Thank you very much.